हेलो सर, स्वागत है आपको इस वीडियो में। इस वीडियो को ज़रूर देखना बिकॉज ऑफ आई हैव ऑलरेडी read your full description and I can complete your project. So please watch my full video so that I can discuss with you on your project. So first of all, you can see this is the resumespace.com and I have already working this like on this kind of website. Or you can see this is a project for my previous client and I have working on this project. Here is the project link. You can see the resumespace.com design and the duplicate website design. You can see here completely same. You can see here. So I can easily develop your website using Elementor and Elementor Pro and Astra theme. So please accept my proposal and winner me on your project so that I can start development for you. Thank you.